Here's our puppy. They're like a month old. Well, we're giving away that big one right there. That big one. That one. Alright, look at puppy trying to lick my camera. Attacking camera. Oh man. Puppy attacking camera.
That one's over here. Right there.
Yeah, we're giving away that one right there. Whoever want it, let us know. Cause I think we can't afford to keep that many puppy.
They're all shy now.
That one's a girl. Which yeah, we're giving away that big one right there.
Fight! Fight!
That's a boy.
Licking my fingers.
They're really playful. They're at the age where they like to play and lick people. Oh, now he's barking. So cute.
Come here! Por culido. Yeah, girl, come up here.
Yeah.
Push her around. They're biting to his legs. Ooh, my booty, ooh. Oh, ear, to leg.
They're playing with each other right now. I guess they're playing wrestling. Yeah, I think so.
Fight him back! Fight him back! Rawr.